Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? So today we are going to explore a new place. It's a waterfall near my hometown. It is near upper kolab, just 5 to 6 kilometers away from Jeypore and 15 kilometers away from Koraput town. So to reach there we have to trek a little bit, and I hope you can hear the waterfall sound. I hope you can hear the waterfall sound. It's a very beautiful place, close to nature, green all over around. Let me show you. Beautiful, really beautiful. I am coming here for the first time, and my brother who stays in Koraput is guiding me here. He has already seen this place. It's a very interesting place it is. See how beautiful this place is. So to reach the waterfall we have to trek a little bit, and it's around 1.5 to 2 kilometers of trek. And you can see how it is. It is slippery. We have to be very careful. And it has been raining for almost a week now, and I could not go out. Today it's a little bit sunny, so we thought of exploring this place. It's like a dense forest here. Amazing. I'm loving it. Seriously. I hope you can hear the roar of the water. It's rainy day. Luckily today it didn't rain. Otherwise it would have been very difficult to trek here. First of all, it is very dense and slippery. We have to be very careful. You can see we have to cross these rocks to reach to the waterfall. So we are going there. Let's go and explore. You can see good amount of sweat released. So you can guess it's not so easy also for trekking here. Sweat all over the body. You can see here. Look at the background. Amazing, isn't it? Wow. Lovely. Brother busy in video, and why not? This is amazing. Green all around and open sky. Beautiful, beautiful. You will be fully tired even while climbing and while coming back as well, because you have to cross so many rocks and these are really slippery. Please be careful if you are coming here. It's a very small, beautiful waterfall which is not quite explored by people yet, but the location is just amazing. You will not find this kind of location anywhere. This is just beautiful, awesome. Greenery, greenery and greenery. Nice, that's nice. Once you reach the second bridge after entering the upper kolab powerhouse, just follow the jungle trail to reach this beautiful place on your left. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the like button and share with your family and friends. Thank you.